Good afternoon, students. Our today's topic is direct and indirect. It is grammar part of your textbook, page number 109. Before I will tell you what is direct and indirect, how to convert direct into indirect sentence, let me tell you that direct and indirect. This statement consists of two parts. First is called a reporting verb. The second is called a reported speech. For example, he said, I have no money to spend. वो कहता है कि मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है खर्च करने के लिए. This is the first part. He said, it is called a reporting verb. Why it is called a reporting verb? Because in this part a verb is used. What is the verb used? Said. Verb means action word. Said means kaha. It is a second form of say. It is a verb. The second part is reported speech. I have no money to spend. ये बंदा कहता है कि मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है खर्च करने के लिए. जो ये बात कहता है, it has to be in inverted commas. A speech is always written in inverted commas. That is why it is called a reported speech, because it is in inverted commas. When we convert direct into indirect speech, comma and inverted commas are cut. In place of that, we write that. Before converting direct into indirect statements, let us have a look on some rules through which we can convert direct into indirect. If the reporting verb is in present tense, the tense which is used in reporting verb is in present, there will be no change in reported speech. Similarly, if the reporting verb is in past tense, there will be change in reported speech according to tense. Suppose he says, I have no money to spend. The word is say. जब हम थर्ड पर्सन यूज करते हैं प्रेजेंट इंडेफिनिट में, तब हम वर्ब के साथ एस लगाते हैं. ही, आई से, यू से, ही सेज. दैट इज व्हाई एस इज बीइंग यूज्ड हियर. ही सेज, वो कहता है, आई हैव नो मनी, मेरे पास पैसा नहीं है. Rule number 1 is implementing here. It is in present tense. No change will be allowed here. If we convert this sentence into indirect speech, I will write, he says that, comma, inverted comma gets converted into that. He has no money. ये छु पन कथ वन. ये छु माना कि मे छन पोंसे. अगर इनडायरेक्ट में कथ करो, इनडायरेक्ट में हम बात करेंगे कि वो कहता है कि उसके पास पैसा नहीं है. सो आई के बदले यहां पर आएगा ही. ही हैज नो मनी टू स्पेंड. हैव ही रहेगा, पास्ट में नहीं आएगा क्योंकि रूल नंबर फर्स्ट है, ये चेंज नहीं होगी इसमें. थर्ड पर्सन के साथ हैज लगेगा, आई के साथ हैव लगता है, यू के साथ हैव लगता है, ही के साथ, शी के साथ हैज. दैट इज व्हाई हैज बीन रिटन हियर. ही सेज दैट ही हैज नो मनी टू स्पेंड. ओके, नाउ रूल नंबर 2. If the reporting verb is in past tense, he said, comma, into commas, begin. I have no money to spend. This is in past tense. Said is the past form of say. Obviously, have will be changed into had. He said that. Said के बजाय आप told भी लिख सकते हैं. You can also write said oblique told. Comma into commas will be changed into that. I, वो अपनी बात कर रहा है. He, have, it is a present. It will be converted into past. Had no money to spend. Okay, students, I think it is sufficient for today. Thanks.